Okay, this is our Microsoft OneNote tutorial and how to use it in conjunction with the Student Edition Labs. First, you have to make sure that you have Microsoft OneNote. Down in the Start menu, and this will work for Vista, Windows 7, or XP, click the Start button, go to All Programs, make sure you have the Microsoft Office folder, click it once, and you should have Microsoft OneNote 2010. BPC 110, we are using the Office 2010 products. If you do not have Microsoft OneNote 2010, you will have to use a different kind of browser instead of OneNote to PDF your documents. So you do have to open it the first time, and if you've never used it, just click it one time and let it open up. You'll notice on my laptop or my desktop, I have OneNote down here as an option. And you'll see I have some notes in here already, and this is what Microsoft Office OneNote looks like. If you have already saved something, you'll see it says Untitled Page, and they're all listed in here. Bill payments and whatnot. And they're in my unfiled notes. This is the page that you should see when you first log in. Go ahead and close it. And then we're going to open up the Student Edition Labs, and you can do that from your Canvas course. You're going to find it. You can type in Student Edition Labs 4.0 in any browser in the search, and you'll come up with this lab. If you're in the guide, you want to go ahead and click Select a Lab. And the first one for our purposes was maintaining a hard drive. And you click it. You'll notice it brought up 5 different topics. In each topic, there is an introduction, an observe, and a practice. In the introduction, you can read through the information. In the observe, it will give you a recording, a brief recording. I'm going to go ahead and click it. And it's going to tell you what it's doing. See, it's got audio settings. If I click the play button, it'll go through it. Then there's a practice, and you'll do whatever it asks you to do. It's a simulation. It says double click the My Computer icon, click File on the menu bar, click Properties, and so forth, and you follow the steps along. In the review, it's going to ask you questions. The amount of storage. If you want to view information about the hard disk, what do you click? And Windows identifies storage devices on a computer and provides the details pane. In what? And when it comes up with Review Complete, you'll get a Results button. If you click the Results button, it'll tell you how many you got right, how many you got wrong, and it'll display it right up here at the top. I want you to do all of the topics at one time, because when you print, you can only print one time, and it'll keep the score up here at the top. Now, to print the Student Edition Labs to OneNote, you're going to go ahead and print like normal. And you see Send to OneNote came up as an option. So I'm going to click it. And it's brought up my OneNote. And then I'm going to click Print. And my browser is going to automatically insert the pages that I have here into OneNote, and then it should open up OneNote. I'm going to go ahead and click it. Oops. I don't know why I did that. There we go. Okay, and so you'll see it placed it right in there. When When this one is complete, the maintaining a hard drive, you will have 16 responses. Each question is worth a half of a point. Now, to save this as a PDF document so you can submit it through Canvas, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller so it'll be on one page. You're going to go, like any Microsoft product, you're going to go to the File menu, Save As, and then it gives you options. You're going to choose PDF, Save As, choose a location where you want to save it. You can call it maintaining, maintaining a hard drive. And then save. And so it's now saved your response. If you want to check it, you can check in your documents. There it is. I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And this is what I'm going to see. And what I'm looking for is this score area right here to make sure that you have your points. It'll automatically correct. If you miss one, you can go and do the same one again and this time get the correct answer. So there's no reason to lose points. You can go right back into the same one and answer the questions again. When I click results this time, now I've got the 3 out of 3. Okay, so that should do it. Those are the directions on how to use the Student Edition Labs with OneNote to create a PDF document that you can submit into Canvas. And we've only got a few of these labs, so good luck, and thanks for watching.